Hi, this is Red from Ross Video. I'm just going to have a quick look at what happens when you first open XPression Designer after you've just installed it. Well, the first thing you're going to get is this pop-up window that's going to give you some guidance. So if you actually say, take me to preferences, it's going to open up your hardware renderer. So now you can actually set, so these may be on none and none. So what you can do is actually select your NVIDIA card, and you can select your anti-aliasing level. And obviously you need to be aware that the higher you set it, the more resources that's going to take. So it's a trade-off between smooth edges and processing power. So if I click OK, that's my first section done. And now obviously we're on page 2 of 2. So we say take me to the hardware setup, and this is where we're going to add our output buffers. So these are our frame buffers. So with XPression Designer, we're not going to have a physical output. We're going to use a local preview or output. So what we can do is we can add what we call a virtual output. So if you click down here on the add button, it's going to open up this window, and from here you can see I have a number of options to choose from. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose XPression virtual output, and we're going to say OK. And you can choose to name it here. We can say to stay on top and start on startup if you wish. I'm going to click OK. That's my first one, and that's now going to simulate an offline version of a single channel expression. And if you're designing for a dual channel or multi-channel box, you can of course add as many as you need. So if I was doing a dual channel, I could do a output, click OK, click OK, and now I have, as we close this, we can choose 2, and if I quickly just put a sphere, add a material, and if I play that, and I'm just going to double click this, it's going to go on my output buffer one. There we go. So that's it. Easy as that. Thank you very much.